What is dropshipping business? And what are the benefits? And how dropshipping works? In this video, we will review everything about dropshipping business. So let's jump into it. Want to start selling online but don't really have the capital? Or maybe you're not sure whether it's for you and you want to test the water first. If you answered yes to either of these, then a dropshipping business may be the answer. It's an excellent gateway to online retail that requires less financial input than a regular online store, plus you don't need a warehouse to get started. 1. What is dropshipping and how does it work? Let's start with what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping is a method of retail where the store never physically holds the products it sells. Instead, when the retailer sells one of the products it stocks on its website, they buy the item from a third-party supplier who then ships the item directly to the end customer. 2. How does dropshipping work? Dropshipping takes advantage of an existing truth in the world of commerce today. E-commerce is filled with a generic supply of products such as phone cases and clothing, that are offered up to any retailers that want to sell them. You can even rebrand or refine them to help you stand out from the clutter. 3. Benefits of dropshipping. 1. Low startup costs. It requires a lot of capital to stock a warehouse. You can eliminate the risk of going into debt to start your business by using dropshipping. 2. Low cost of inventory. The cost of inventory is one of the highest costs you'll have if you own and warehouse stock. 3. Low order fulfillment costs. Order fulfillment usually requires you to the warehouse, organize, track, label, pick and pack, and ship your stock. Dropshipping lets a third party take care of all of that. 4. Disadvantages to starting a dropshipping business. 1. Less competitive pricing. The key to a successful dropshipping business is making a profit on the difference between the price of your products and what your dropshipping partners charge you. 2. Stock reliance. You'll quickly learn that dropshipping is a bit of a double-edged sword. Highly competitive. 3. Dropshipping is a viable business model for many because of its low barriers to entry, however, this means a lot of people are doing it. 5. How to start a dropshipping business in 2021. Step 1. Choosing a dropshipping niche. A niche is a segment of a market. For example, Bluetooth speakers are a popular niche in the home audio market. Step 2. Perform competition research. Remember, you will be competing with other dropshipping operations as well as retail giants such as Walmart and Amazon. This is where a lot of potential dropshippers go wrong because they look for a product that has little to no competition. Step 3. Build your e-commerce website. The fastest way to launch a website that supports a dropshipping business model is to use a simple e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WordPress. You don't need a tech background to get up and running, and it has plenty of apps to help increase sales. Step 4. Choose a dropshipping supplier. Choosing a dropshipping supplier is a critical step toward creating a successful dropshipping business. Without suppliers, a dropshipping business wouldn't have any products to ship to customers and therefore, cease to exist. Step 5. Market your dropshipping store. Now that you know how to start a dropshipping business, it's time to talk about marketing your new store. To stand out in your market, you may want to put extra effort into your marketing and advertising efforts when building your dropshipping business plan. 6. Conclusion. We've reached the end and, by now, you should be well on your way to starting an e-commerce dropshipping business from scratch. The work is far from over, though. Now you have to successfully run your business. But don't worry. As long as you follow these next few tips, you'll have a successful e-commerce dropshipping business for years to come. 1. Continue to update your website. 2. Work on your SEO and create high-quality content to bring in traffic. 3. Maintain your relationship with your supplier. 4. Keep tabs on the products you're offering and, when you're ready, look into adding more. Hint, you can use SaleWho's Market Research Lab to find hot new products. Keep up with your customer service. 5. Answer emails and questions, and update your FAQ page, if you have one. We hope you've enjoyed this video on how to start a dropshipping business. And you can find more information about how to make money online in the description box below. Did this inspire you to create one? Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your entrepreneurial friends.